Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be all about some iPhone 12 related accessories. So a company called ESR reached out to me and wanted to send some products over for me to unbox and review. And this company has been getting really good reviews on Amazon, so it looks like it's going to be some pretty good stuff. So they sent me over 2 phone cases and a wireless charging stand called the Halolock. Now all of these products that they sent over are for my iPhone 12 Pro Max, but they have products for other phones as well. And the magnetic charger is only going to work with the iPhone 12 lineup because it has MagSafe. Let's go ahead and unbox these. Alright, so here is the phone case box. It looks really clean and simple. ESR logo, protective phone case, superior protection, precision design, and perfect fit. There's the side of the 2 cases. Here's the back. So let's go ahead and start with this one. So it says transparent blue here. And before we do the actual unboxing, if you guys do want to pick up any of these products, I'll leave a link down below. Okay, so transparent blue. Let's open this up. It gives you some instructions on how to put it on. It's packaged really well. And boom, there's the phone case. I'm a really big fan of this navy blue. Navy blue is definitely one of my favorite colors, so I really like this already. It does say drop guard protection right there, which I'm not a huge fan of because it kind of takes away from the aesthetic. It looks pretty good, and it's got raised protection around the phone, which is always nice. Now let's go ahead and put this on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I'm really excited to have blue on blue. So super easy to just push on. So that's what the front looks like. And there's the back. That looks really good. I am a huge fan of this blue on blue. This looks really good. A lot better than I was expecting. Power button is super easy to press. Volume up and down, super easy as well. And then you've got your volume control. And there's the cutouts on the bottom for your speakers and lightning. And I've got to say I'm a pretty big fan of this case. Alright, case number 2. This one I believe is fully transparent, no color on the sides. It looks like there's a built-in stand here as well. Looks like it's made out of aluminum, which that's kind of cool. You can just tilt your phone like that and watch something. Feels like decent quality, so let's go ahead and try this on. So super easy again to put on. And this looks pretty good. You can still see the sides. You can of course see the back. And the case raises right around the camera for protection as well. The stand is pretty good quality. Now let's go ahead and try it out. So I've got some WandaVision playing right now. Great show. You definitely need to be watching it. But it's sitting at a really nice angle that's really easy to view. And you can adjust the angle by moving the kickstand really easily. So I'm a pretty big fan of that feature. I don't know if I'm a big fan of the look itself, having this aluminum bar right on the case, but if you're someone who's looking for a phone case with a built-in stand, this one is going to be pretty good. Now for the Halolock adjustable wireless charging stand. This one looks really cool, especially because you can actually adjust the height and everything, and then it's obviously MagSafe compatible. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. Alright, so there's the power cord here, so it's USB-C, which I wasn't expecting. So that's pretty awesome. Now for the charger stand itself, it feels like really good quality here. The arm is super sturdy and strong. Super sturdy. I can barely move it, which is obviously a good thing if you're going to sit your $2,000 phone on it. So ESR branding there. Let's take this off. Now I definitely want to test the magnet strength if I'm going to be putting my 12 Pro Max on it. So let's go ahead and give that a try. That is pretty good. Damn. Shake it a little bit. I'm shaking it pretty hard and it's not coming off. That's actually pretty impressive. So the way you get it to charge is you get the USB-C cable and you just plug it into the bottom of the stand, and then you just plug it into a power source. So I have my 20-watt USB-C adapter from Apple. Now let's test out the charging. Boom, there we go. So charging with MagSafe is obviously super nice because you just click it on and the magnet just holds on to the phone. And it looks a lot cleaner as well. The only thing I'm not a huge fan of is that the wire goes right under the phone. But if that doesn't bother you, then it's not really a big deal. But the levers here are super strong, so there shouldn't be any worry of actually dropping the phone or anything. So it's a really well-built charger. And I'm excited to have a MagSafe phone charger on my work setup to clean it up a little bit and make it look a little bit nicer. But yeah, that is the Halolock adjustable wireless charging stand. So guys, some pretty cool stuff sent by ESR. I just want to say thank you to them because the products that they sent are really good. The wireless charging stand I think is going to be awesome just to clean up my work setup and have my phone charging on that versus just sitting around. And there's the back. That looks really good. Around with a bunch of wires. The phone cases are really well made as well, especially the armor case. That is definitely one that I can recommend to go out and buy. They look really good, they're protective, and they're really really affordable. And like I said, if you guys do want to pick up any of the products in the video, there are going to be links down below. Other than that, thanks for watching this iPhone 12 related accessory video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you like and subscribe. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.